Hey, what's up, guys? Today's tutorial is we are going to discuss how to define a site using Dreamweaver 8. And defining a site is the first step in making a website in Dreamweaver 8 because it helps you set up your server and organize your files for your site. So it's our initial step. And in the next videos, we'll be going further into how to create a site using Dreamweaver and HTML. But for now, we're just going to start with defining a site. So what we're going to do is go up here to the top and click on site. Okay. Then click on new site. And we're going to name this site, let's see, our first website. Alright, down here is asking for the HTTP address URL of the site. We don't have one yet because you get one of these when you purchase a domain name and a hosting account plan. So we're just going to click next. Here is asking, do you want to work with a server technology such as CodeFusion, ASP.NET, ASP, JSP, or PHP? Usually we do use some type of server-side technology, but right now for the simple site we're going to create is we're going to click on no. So click next, and we want to edit local copies on my machine, then upload to my server when ready. That's the recommended choice, and that's the one we want to pick. Down here you have the choice of picking anywhere on your computer any folder you want to put your site into. We're just going to keep it in documents. That's fine. So I click next. Here it's asking, how do you connect to your remote server? For now, we're not going to connect, but usually I like to connect via FTP, file transfer protocol. So that's a good way for Dreamweaver and other FTP clients also connect to your hosting account through that method. But for right now, we're going to click none. Click next, and we're done. So the magic happens over here. Okay, this is our first site here. So after that, the next step will be to create a page, our first page, which is going to be an index.html page. And the reason index.html is going to be our first page is because most internet browsers, the first file name that a browser looks for to display a web page is usually index.html or index.html. You can use either extension, it really doesn't matter. So what we're going to do is open up an HTML document and click create. Alright, now it pops up an untitled document. So the first thing I do when making a site is I name the document, and we're going to name this one homepage. Okay, homepage. Alright, and I immediately go to save as and save the file as index.html. So when I preview it in my browser, it'll already be saved, and we'll have our first page. Okay, and it'll pop up over here in just a sec. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, here it is, index.html, and that's our index page, our home page, and that is how you define a site using Dreamweaver. On the next tutorial, we will be talking about how to actually create a site, and we're going to make links and do a couple of other things, and I'll show you some basic HTML. So feel free to visit thehiphoptech.com and check out our blog and other video tutorials. Thank you.